What were you hoping to achieve when we started planning and talking about this project?
We wanted to make sure that we were going to increase the flow, but also maintain the integrity of the house and maintaining all the wood from my uncle and aunt.
The only restriction we had was keeping the fireplace.
So when I was a little girl, my sister and I gathered all the pretty rocks that we could find in the lake, and that's what the fireplace was built from.
Definitely was a cool part, preserving all that stuff.
And so now this is so open and so different and bright and light.
Everything worked out real well. We're very happy with it. And the family's very happy with it.
So if someone asked you about your experience working with Lighthouse, what would you say to them?
Oh, I would say it's been wonderful. The collaboration, the teamwork.
Yeah, communication is key.
So Pam, what's your favorite feature in the project?
My favorite feature is the island because it's really truly the heart of the gathering spot.
I'll agree with you. The island is, and how it fits in between the supports, works out quite well. But I must add that the bar area that you guys built and fit into the knee wall is terrific.
This is something that we can really take a lot of pride in and be proud of the efforts and the outcome. You know, be professional, but also have fun through the experience and to make dreams come true like this.
Yes, yes, that is. It's a dream come true. And you guys were fantastic to work with.